Hello and welcome to Your Next Car. My name's Nakib. I'm going to be doing you a short video of this amazing BMW 335 M Sport, covered just over 95,000 miles. So it's a BMW 335 M Sport, genuine M Sport with all the flared up M Sport bumpers, and then we've added all out special touches to it. So from the front you can see it's got the BMW LED headlights, Y&C splitter, Y&C grille. I've added the lovely 20-inch Y&C style alloys. Behind there it's got the blue performance calipers, M badges on the wings. These are 20-inch alloys with brand new tyres. Coming to the back, we've got the lovely boot spoiler, rear diffuser. These 335s are amazing drives, twin turbos, four-wheel drive, X-drive, handle well, really good, very good on fuel on the motorway. Just showing you the driver's side. The car looks as though it's covered sort of 50,000 miles. Very few marks, very few chips. Rear parking sensors. These alloys are not genuine BMW, but they are TUV approved or tried and tested. Coming to the front of the vehicle, just trying to show you how tidy the paintwork is. Front parking sensors again. Hardly a chip on the bonnet, hardly a chip on the front bumper. Privacy glass. Just show you how clean the back seats are. Not a mark on the leather. Still has the plastic trims on the side seals. Just show you how much space you have in this boot. Goes in really deep, really tidy, no smells and no odours in the vehicle. So this one does have the Harman Kardon Hi-Fi, auto lights, sports gearbox, satellite navigation. Okay, I'll start the vehicle now. Standard features: DAB, Bluetooth audio. Service history wise, it's all done at BMW. It's a one owner car and all the service are on the iDrive. And the last one is just done buyers at Y&C. So the next oil service is due in 18,000 miles. Rear brakes in 39,000, front brakes in 11,000. There we are, covered just over 95,000 miles. Black Dakota leather, not a mark on the leather. Dashboard is really tidy. Stop starter standard. Yeah, this one is very good value with the high miles, but with a full service history, it's a really amazing vehicle. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon at your next car. Thank you, bye bye.